Hello, this is Dream On Production. I'm going to take apart my solar walker. It doesn't work anymore for some reason. I'm just going to take it apart. Here's one screw. I got this at the book fair. You could get them anywhere else, I guess. This thing just won't take apart. It'll fall apart or whatever. Die. Dang, this thing is tough. There's no screws in there. Maybe it's the legs. I know I could take apart these legs. I've never done this before. Dang. This thing got one tough nipple. Right here is the solar powered motor. All this is just pieces and parts that walk around. Flipper. Just pull this thing apart. Oh, here it goes. There it goes. Got it. I got it. Here it comes. There it goes. Okay. I'll be back with the second video. Thanks for watching. Bye.